Hi, hello, namaste, welcome to my channel Nruthyamrutha. I am Amrutha Sankar. I'm sorry that last week I wasn't able to upload the tutorial too. So today we are going to learn the basic 2 steps of Kuchipudi, where I'll be showing you first the legs, then the hands, then both of them combinedly. There will be a practice session in the end, so don't miss that. Please do watch till the end. So let's get into the video first. So first step. For the first step, the legs should be in V shape and bending position. And we should tap the right leg, then the left leg. 1 will be in the sitting position, 2 will be in the standing position, 3 will be in the sitting position, 4 will be in the standing position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now, as you have seen the legs, now we are going to see the hand part of the first step. Always be in the bending position, stretch your hands. Make sure your shoulders and elbows are in the straight line. This is actually called the patakam, which I will be explaining in the next video. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the hands of first step. So now that we have seen the legs and hands part separately, now let's see the whole first step how we'll do. So remember, we should put our legs in V shape, in the bending position and hands stretched. First we'll start with the right leg. So 1 is the bending position, 2 is the standing position, 3 is the bending position, 4 is the standing position. Hope you guys understood. Let's go into the second step. Second step's legs are the same way we did the first one. We should be in the bending position with the V shape. Now we should put our right leg forward with the heels touching the floor. 2, back to V shape. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second step, hands. Stretch your hands properly. You should be in the bending position and twist your hand towards your face. Always look at the hand when you are doing the step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. V shape, hands on your waist, bending position. First step, legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Raise your hands, bending position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hands on your waist, bending position. Second step, legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.